Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you accounting enthusiasts out there. The video title is, How to View Bank Reconciliation Statement in Tally, 2025. If you're using Tally ERP for your business finances, you know how crucial bank reconciliation is. It helps ensure your books match your bank's records, catching any discrepancies early and keeping everything accurate. In just a couple of minutes, I'll walk you through the steps to view this statement effortlessly. First things first, make sure you have Tally ERP 9 or the latest version installed on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the gateway of Tally screen. This is your starting point for most operations. Now, navigate to the Banking menu. You can find it under the main dashboard or by pressing Alt+B on your keyboard. It's that straightforward. Next, from the Banking menu, select Bank Reconciliation. Tally will prompt you to choose the specific bank account you want to reconcile. Go ahead and pick the one you're working with. If you haven't set up your bank accounts yet, pause here and do that quickly under the Accounts Info section. Once selected, Tally will display the bank reconciliation statement. You'll see details like outstanding checks, deposits in transit, and any differences between your books and the bank's records. Take a moment to review this. It's a great way to spot errors. If needed, you can even export or print this statement for your records. And there you have it. Viewing the bank reconciliation statement in Tally is quick and helps maintain financial accuracy. Remember, regular reconciliations can save you from bigger headaches down the line. If you're new to Tally, practice this a few times. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.